How to arrange and care for store-bought flowers. Fill a vase halfway with clean water and add plant food. Trim 1 inch from each stem on a diagonal. Remove leaves from stems that fall below the waterline. If using, add a few sprigs of green herbs or foliage, following the rim of the vase and crisscrossing the stems. Add smaller flowers in the same way, varying their height slightly. Add larger blooms in and around the center, spacing them evenly and varying their height. Avoid overcrowding. Blooms should fit loosely in your vase so you can easily take one out. Less is more. Stick to 3 or 4 types of flowers and 3 or 4 colors that go well together. Read the care instructions. This tag will tell you how much water and light you need. You can also ask your florist or look more info up online. Change the water every 3 days. Limit direct air and sun. Air blowing from your vent and bright warm light from your window can dry out flowers faster. Place an indirect sunlight away from air vents. Now you have beautiful flowers that will last. Enjoy!